Hi friends, welcome to Gizbot YouTube channel. You are with Abhinaya and let's take a look at the unboxing and the first impressions and features of the Oppo Smart Stylus. Recently, Oppo launched the Pad Air in India at a starting price of Rs 16,999 and it has also launched the Smart Stylus to complement this tablet. You can see this is the Oppo Life Smart Stylus Pen that has been launched for the Oppo Pad Air. So let's unbox this stylus. So here we have the stylus and it has a button as well. Now we'll see what are the contents of this box. So as you can see, there is some user manual and also there is a battery that has been provided to power the stylus. Now in addition to this, it's interesting that Oppo has given some extra pen points that can be used in case of any damage for the existing one. Also there is an ejector to remove the pen point and replace a new one. So I'll show you how to do that in this video as well. So first let me use this battery to power on the stylus. And now I'll show you how to replace the existing pen point. So you just have to remove it and you can use another pen point and put it back to the stylus. And ensure that it is completely inserted so that it doesn't fall back when you use it. Now I'll show you how to use it with the Oppo Pad. So I'm using the Oppo Smart Stylus Pen. Now it is quite lightweight, measuring only 18 grams, and you can see that I can scroll using this stylus easily, and also let me show you how to type in it. So you can just start writing, you can write notes, you can also use the eraser, you can undo, and you can do many options using this stylus. One good thing is this stylus is meant for the Oppo Pad and you need not connect it with Bluetooth to use it with this tab. Now this stylus has a button, but it is actually not useful for the Oppo Pad Air, but you can pair it with other devices when you are using this button. Apart from this, it has 4096 pressure sensitivity points and it is priced at Rs 4000 in India. Now you can use this pen to drag and drop and to also erase notes. You can write, you can erase. Also, you can use it with your gallery to move images. You can select, you can move. You can click on the image and you can drag and drop as well.